non-skeleton. I don't know why it's yelling at me. Okay. Should be this way. How did I end it up like this? So now we are alright, so can I run? Okay. Loading skeleton or it's a meta tag. That's why. So it's armature. What the heck is going on? Meta-read. God damn it. But after constructing it, so I'm trapped myself, so I can provide only path. So I think I did not trap myself. Okay, so everything should be in the path, right? SK mesh asset. So it should just take path, and we should mesh name L skeleton name. substring does. What? Count. So it should be count. I'm going to ask AI to do to ask for correctness, because my mental capacity to check off by one errors so I forgot to put assert, so let's put assert. Okay, let's reprompt. Okay, so this is the fixed. So that would be static function to slice path stat string path const slice path get 0 plus get 2 slice path. What? Okay. 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 So take away that. Two argument but 3 were provided. Where? And it should be now like this. Okay. Server templates. 2 arguments were provided. Skeleton. I think it should be like this. Can forward declare it. Go here. Okay. I guess it's gonna crash. And I think it did crash. So because path is incorrect, right? Yeah. Okay. Let me fix that part. Let me quickly check as well. Skirmish. So this is good. It should be metering here. Black hole projectile. So it should add that. And garden should be metering. So I need to I can just remove an im test, so I can just remove an im test. We don't need this anymore. Bye bye. Okay, now skeleton. So what I need to do, I need to splice that one as well, and I can steal this code. It should be mesh asset CPP. So this is the way to do. So load in skeleton, file path, mesh name, and path. So instead path, we do file path. That's it, I think. Okay, so that should work, but it's not fully what I wanted. Yeah, it is working, no crashes, but it's still not attaching the black hole to my hand. But there is a progress, so we did some refactoring and it's good. So now skeletal mesh would take path to the file and two parameters. One is skeletal mesh and another one is armature. And then here I would check. So lmesh name is not used, but I will use it to find the root node and get everything from that. Okay, going to take the short break.
Taking a short break. BRB.
Okay, now hopefully easy part. So let's see what this code is doing. So we have skeleton, we have a path, we get the oh, it should be not called mesh name, sk name. Okay, so we have skeleton mesh, skeleton name, and then meshes. So it iterates from meshes, getting bones. It's getting all bones. Name to none. Needed nodes. Find all bonds. Second pass. Identify all necessary nodes, bonds, and their ancestors. Starting from the root node. Needed node. To node. And build hierarchy based on the needed nodes. Okay. And bone mapping, we don't need bone mapping. It's not get joint in. Oh, we do need bone mapping. We do need bone mapping. So we have a mesh, and mesh has bones. Bone 1, bone 2, bone 3, right? As well, we have skeleton, which has also bones. So I don't think we need to parse that. We just find this one, and we need to build hierarchy. But we need offset matrix from the mesh. Offset matrix. We'll have an offset matrix. Okay, at least one thing what I can do is skeletal node. Okay, right, so here I can do iterate through all nodes. Needed node, name to node, name to node. Okay, so I can do name to node, else key name, So like this, at least it should not break anything. It did not break, and printer should be way more tamed.
Skeleton is missing in the asset file. Cannot find the bone in the animation asset. Channel index is out of bounds. Crystal Sanctuary Guardian mesh magically disappeared. Crystal Sanctuary Guardian point light magically disappeared.
um,
Check above guarantees, the placement should always succeed. Layer is magically disappeared. We just inserted the mesh. It should be here.
print hierarchy, joint name, joint offset mat, local bind, pause mat. Decompose. I do not remember what is I guess it's in the renderer. Oh, maybe it's node 3D decompose. Yeah, so it's a decompose. So what I can do, joint name, and then I can do that, and model is going to be join dot offset mat, and then stat clong l translation dot x, l translation dot y, Oh, it did print. It's all zeros, almost zeros. So it's kind of doing oh, spine, okay. Black hole singularity. So this one is -1, 1. And it's messing things around. So this 0, 0. Okay. So I think we're close to fixing that madness. Skeleton. Build hierarchy. Parent index -1. Okay, so I think what I should do, not equal -1. That one, and parent index not equal -1. Finger crossed. Oh my god, I'm genius. Look at that. I didn't. That's cool. So now let me close that. Now we can get return back to that. So that guy essentially should be, so I just should copy and paste. Where is the armature? Here, here. I guess I'll copy Quartanian here, XYZ. Okay. Now take this guy. I'm kind of confused why I'm not. Okay, I see everything now. Object. So take this one, get this one, go to edit mode, and so it's parented. What? It's not parented. About what are you talking? Oh, confused. It's not parented. To what it was parented? Huh. Edit mode. What? Oh my god. Pose mode. To the bone. Okay, so let's see if things are still not broken. Hopefully.
Nixlal said, wouldn't oppose us her attack animation.
Okay, it's still working. What's your attack animation?
Or rate Claude is better model.
Claude is better model? Yeah. Okay, things are still not broken. That's good. And now we go to animation. I know, I can probably do in the layout. Yeah, let's do in the layout. Idle animation.
Is she AI rendered?
No. No. I mean, I do not know if this is I've got from Pinterest, so I do not know what Pinterest is doing. It's just a reference, but that one is not AI. I rendered it. Oh yeah, so I used this from Pinterest to as you can see, I mean, I'll just kind of copy the address. So I think it's quite appropriate. It's kind of modern and little bit fantasy, little bit of fantasy vibe. So okay, so let's go to that one. Go to pose animation, and let's see. So if I try to put it in the palm like this, and so I'm kind of looking from the top down, right? So it should be like this and like this, I guess.
Did you name her yet?
Alara. Did you read the document? Game design document? It's 15 minutes of your time.
Where?
Oh my god. You can skim in 3 minutes the whole document, and like
HTTPS link.
if you want to better grasp, it will maximum take your 15 minutes.
Meekslaw said, I didn't oppose Tino, you did this lol, I thought it was private.
Okay. Apology accepted. Okay, so let's save and let's see if it's gonna look good. Interesting. It didn't do what I anticipated. I don't know why. So black hole, singularity, projectile, idle, anim. Maybe I forgot to assign it. So let's go to the player. Projectile, idle, anim. Oh, here we go. I commented it out. No, it didn't do. Hand R. What's going on linear animation? Oh, it's snapping back. Oh, I forgot to press this button. Okay. No big deal. That's just a user. What is it? User error. Okay, so we are looking from here. Guess it should be like a 360 turn like this. Like this. Actually, it's probably like this. Okay. So now it should work. And it is working. Okay, now let's fix. Oh, let's make fun idle animation, right? Okay, so let's go to projectile preparation animation and This stuff is on the way. Right. I don't know. I'm I feel like I'm wasting my time because actually it's pretty good. Oh, here we go. There is a flip. So probably should redo it. So let me redo it. Yeah, no. Okay. Let's see how it's gonna look like. Did we crash? Oh, we crashed. No geometry 4. Ah, okay. Because it was invisible. So at the very beginning there is some quirk. What's going on? Why this happening? What? Huh. Oh. Range. Hmm. So I guess I can delete this keyframe. No, I can probably. Oh, there is no damage. Staff attack. It's here. A lot of staff attack. What's going on with that? Can attentionless parasite const animast with the R value? It should be probably get deja vu sans. Here we go, finally. Font. Oh, what's going on? Where? Deja vu sans. 1 pix. Okay. Crash. So I think it should be probably this way. Still crash. Something to do with no. Oh. Here we go. Okay.
Black hole singularity projectile dot HPP.
You know, I'm kind of wondering, should I move it here? Eventually, probably I would need to create the tools directory, but maybe not. Maybe I'll just keep everything as flat as possible, right? So I want to fix that artifacts which are coming from emission. Bloom pass, bloom buffer. T bloom buffer. Create texture. T bloom buffer. U clamp flags. I think this is the way, right? Everything is quite weird. So it's not clamp, it should be I guess border or mirror. So let's try mirror. Still not quite right. Huh. What's going on here? So there is a clear line in the middle. It looks like depth buffer is misbehaving. Border, I think so it's not mirror, it should be border, right? So maybe that would fix it. Oh wait. It did fix it. Okay. Okay. That is fixed. So cool. Okay. Projectile. So it should be public schemish include mesh.hpp one more thing I want to fix is animation in schmesh, right? So this happens on the tick, and I don't like it's happening on the tick. It should happen, I guess, during the geom pass. Animation time. Yeah, so I think this should move to geom pass. Joint trans is going to be mutable. So make it const. Global trans as well. Mutable. Global trans cache. Okay, so now anim time. Start anim time, and it should be decal type stat chrono steady clock now. Chrono is included. Start anim time. Now minus start anim time. Start anim time. Why it's 1 here? Okay, so it's like a default 1 second. So why things are not exploding? That's odd. How to get duration from chrono as float in seconds. Duration cast. Count. Dot count. Duration cast stat chrono. Start anim time. It's like this. Okay. Start anim. Stand chrono duration cast. Stand chrono duration float count. Okay, this was a easy fix to do. Yeah, I remove tick. So I'm thinking probably I should as well add to do so as well updated version of GDD. That there is not too much updates, but anyways, that's good. Game 025 to do. File not found. To do HTML. File not found. What? Oh. To game 025 to do. Here we go.
Update GDD and add to do.
So. Yeah. So I need to remove log lines. Print hierarchy. Probably I'll just comment it out. Okay. Okay. I don't think we have anything which is escape public mesh. I do not remember why. Yeah, we don't have anything like this. Do not remember why. Takes parent, right? Not start parent. Schemish assets. I guess it should be const class player. I think I can have an overload without the player. Just a slow way to find get root, get player. Oh, it returns big pointer, which probably should be big pointer. Now player is in complete type. Here we go. It's an editor, right? Yes, at least. Anyways, I think I'll just do it manually for now. um, that's redundant. So I'll do text black hole projectile add yeah, so let's do it this way. And it's not in the list. Alright. Should use Shift A. Yeah. Yeah, it's scaling from the side. That's interesting. It's kind of undesirable, probably.
Black hole singularity projectile fly.
Actually, I do not need player. Screw player. So I don't need player. Ah. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Then geom pass render get cam. Set cam. There is no get cam. I think it should be const, right? Get cam, set cam. I think I can just lock immediately and if do it this way. Oh, yeah, it should not be in geom pass. That is for sure. So it should be tick. But I don't have render here. So we need both. A geom pass. Const. Mutable. Free. Composition. Cache.
I want to make object always face camera. What am I doing wrong with Quaternion math?
So I think it should be... What is squat look at? So this is the up vector. Must be normalized. Hey, it's pretty cool. Yeah, this... Wait, this is wrong. That should be like this. Okay, so let's remove it. Okay, so now yeah, what should config? It's this one. Okay. А, ну, чуть-чуть можно, а чё? А, не-не-не, не хочу пока. Я тут это, сыр съел. What? PCH. Ooh, there is no map. That's it. And game play. Ah, what? Okay. So now, mm, 143. 143 divide by 30. I can do static. Self I think it's just get root, right? Get root. Yeah. Um, mm, ah,
Layer somehow lost its eyes.
Yeah. So how fast? 10 meters per second? Hmm.
Player lost its eyes somehow.
One Mississippi, two Mississippi, so it's 2 seconds. Hmm. So if I do linear, it's only one line. Scale. I guess I can make it as long as I want, maybe 10 seconds. Oh, it's too long, I think it should be. Right, this is the 10 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Oh, so it's a 5 seconds? Yeah, so it's not even 5 seconds. I don't know what is it. Wish. Maybe even faster, so let's do 20. Oh, what's going on? There is a bug. Primary trigger requested. So let's see 3 seconds, and then I'll extend it to have longer. One Mississippi. Ooh, we crashed. Badwick pointer. Shared from this. One Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Hey, hey! It did not die. Not set alive. Oh! It did work, just too slow, I guess. I think 3 seconds is a good time. But it's not destroying. Self. Share from these. Why it's not working? It says removing. Oh, I need to run cleanup. Gameplay. So is 3 seconds good time? Where to see the time in seconds? I don't know, maybe. Yeah, I think 3 seconds, it's pretty good time. Snap to current frame. 200. And okay, so
What would be your recommendation to address it?
I don't know. Maybe like this. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I can do. That's maybe that's my work actually. So node. So I can have remove this version of remove. I don't know. So I don't know how Jolt is doing collision queries. So I'm going to fire the AI to do it. I'm implementing black hole singularity projectile, and I want to make the collision queries from that object.
I'm implementing black hole singularity projectile, and I want to make the collision queries from that object.
Can you write the temporal way to querying collisions and just logging with what it's collided?
You write the temporal way to querying collisions, and just logging with what it's collided.
Query collision is just logging.
I'm implementing black hole singularity projectile, and I want to make collision queries from that object. Can you write the temporary code that would query collisions and just log what it is collided with?
Some references you can look in the player class.
Some references you can look in the player class.
For a reference, you can look in the player class. So I think that's pretty good prompt. So Gemini. Yeah, that looks correct. Okay. So it did the thing. So this is the collision query. Had hit. Okay. So let's see how it's gonna do. With body ID 8. Oh, we crashed. Interesting. It crashed on audio. Okay, we've this is very slow, but I mean it's fine for now. Just let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, Crystal Sanctuary Garden player. Alright. Hey Joel,
Hey,
I'm streaming
Alright.
just in case.
oh, I I got you. What's going on? Just in case. What's happening?
Working on my game, and that's it. It's just work on my game, essentially.
Okay. How's that going?
Lilt said it opposes
Pretty
okay.
good.
That's good to hear.
Yeah.
I got rid of my developer.
Oh, that's something.
Yeah. He's just giving me such a headache. And not producing. And always complaining.
Yeah.
So he took a vacation and I used that time to clamp down the whole system. So hopefully I don't need him. I think I can do without, but still. I got a new team though.
New team.
New team.
More people
And
in your team?
yeah, just data entry people.
Hmm. From
So I got
Philippines?
rid of the I got rid of the other
Mm.
guy as well because you know
They
how can I keep
kind of,
him?
yeah.
Well, no. Remember one time he let him in to his system. But, so how can I trust that setup? It's very very hard. So, anyways, what can I do, man? Gotta move on.
Yeah. So how is your
I
AI?
haven't done any. I've been so busy. Um, you know, training the new people, and I
Mm-hmm.
think, and then I gotta start doing taxes.
Yeah.
Um, you know, so they want $750 to do my taxes. It's kind of crazy.
$750.
Yeah,
It is crazy.
yeah. I mean, I was paying even more, but my taxes were complicated. But now I don't have a home. So
Yeah, it's a simpler
What?
situation. Yeah,
Yeah, it's just like 1099s, right?
yeah.
So we'll see about that, but yeah, I don't know. I don't. Oh, and StubHub's been screwing me around left and right, denying, denying, and not paying. It's such a headache. I hate it. I don't even want to be in this business. It's so much work. And then and no, and then it's like when you do it right, it's still wrong, and you get penalized.
Yeah,
It's just crazy. I don't like. I guess that's part of life. Like in general, people screw you over, right? It's either you get screwed or you try to screw someone else,
that's
right?
sad reality.
Yeah, it's insane, man. But like, what can you do? I don't think you can do anything. Just complaining doesn't help. I mean, overall, the other problem is AI is too good, right? So, do you think there's a possibility? Like, oh, what happened to Facebook? They like got rid of everybody.
At
Another big
Facebook?
handful. Yeah,
What happened to Facebook?
they got rid of a lot of people.
I
Facebook,
I
Meta.
didn't know.
Yeah, yeah. Well, they did a huge hiring after COVID,
Mm-hmm.
and then they were giving people like $1 million bonuses just signed, possibly. I don't know if that's true or not.
Yeah, this is the. You can find a really good developer, but if they are not motivated,
Well,
um,
now you just need a few motivated people. That's it. And if it doesn't work out, you just grab another guy to, you know. They say that prompting is dead. I'm not sure if that's completely true, but
Facebook said
no, no, no. Prompt, prompt engineering.
who
It's a
said
dying field.
people.
People on the web, people, people that don't mean much. They say whatever. But
Yeah.
and then like look at it. Like if you build something, so people can easily just take it over within a month. Look at like OpenClaw. OpenClaw is like literally completed in a month by NVIDIA. Supposed to be like like a
Like the, if you have 10 years old project, like look, like Linux kernel or FFmpeg. Like good luck with creating over month with AI.
Yeah.
If you spend 10 years on the project, not like a slacking and kicking the can, it's
meaning.
still going to be hard to replicate it.
Yeah, but they're doing a pretty good job, and especially if it's open source, it's just literally just taking that as the base. The tools are pretty good, I think, and now they have it where you can like do long coding, and the effort is just moved in to more, possibly some human Q&A. I'm not saying it's like
QE.
100%, right? But it's definitely there. More than before.
It's
More than 2 years ago. 100%.
yeah, more than a year ago, of course.
Who would have thought, right? Seriously.
Yeah,
I'm actually surprised.
yeah. Still, you still need somebody who understand what's going on.
Yeah, but that's a different person, I think. That's not a tech necessarily full tech guy. Like, and then you don't need as many. I think that's a
Yeah.
main point I'm trying to say. Yeah, that's my thought.
So, what is your plan?
I mean, I gotta do this, man. How can I get a fucking job? Seriously, I gotta do this, and I mean, I know what to do. It just takes time to do it. You know, I I don't think I have any other choice but to grind hard. And you know, the guy was kind of like always like he's just slow. Like I wasn't
Mhm.
getting, like I just kept him because maybe I felt like I could need him. I mean, obviously he helped here and there, but still, the work that he did and all the complaining he did, I can't do that anymore. Like you know, my focus got to be
Yeah.
just like work with chat. And you saw how much I got completed, right?
Mhm.
Like the things I was able to do, not bad, right? I just need to focus on it and get it done.
Yeah.
I mean, even if I lose money, I'm not like even if I lose money, I'm not really losing money. I mean, obviously, I'm losing money if I'm not making $200,000 a year because I gotta live. But
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
I just gotta, like, I don't think I can get a job. Seriously, you know, they're gonna. I'm not gonna be good enough to take a test, and I'm too busy like trying to figure out those things. You know, I don't know. I don't know if my brain is slower, but I mean, obviously, you know, now it's even harder, right? Like my daughter got rejected
Oh,
for
I
an
didn't
internship.
know.
She tried to do an internship. I mean, no, a possible job with one of these social media, and things were looking good. But then all of a sudden, it's like, oh, we're so sorry. It's not like you know. They basically say we made a mistake. Sorry, sorry, but not sorry. So she was like a little bummed out with that. But you know, everybody's having problems. And look at the economy, man. The war is not helping at all.
No.
The Yeah, it's just crazy. So whatever. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. But um, you know, I've been kind of busy like cleaning up a bit of this mess and trying to bring in the new people. So we'll have to see how it goes. You know, what can you do?
Just keep swimming. Yeah.
But it feels bleak at the moment. You know, I thought I'd be making 500,000 at least minimum.
In a year.
Yeah, I
Mm.
mean, you know, initially it was looking really good, but they make it harder. You can't just buy shit, you know. It's literally just gambling. They have it too high. Yeah, it's not easy, man. It's not easy. So hopefully, yeah. Let's see here. Facebook, Meta, um, job.
So there is a layoffs was on Epic
Just
and
two. What's that?
Epic, Epic Games.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, last week I think. Which is um disturbing a bit because Tim Sweeney is people saying a lot of good things about that guy, but lately Epic Games had two waves of layoffs.
Mm.
So what's going on? Like I'm pretty sure he's trying his best not to get in that situation, but he still get in the situation where he has to lay off people. So it was around 1,000. He
Mm.
gave pretty good package. It's 4 months plus
Got it.
bonuses, including the medical insurance. So 4 months is pretty good.
Yeah, better than most places.
Yeah, it's way better.
I heard Fortnite is making less and less money.
Fortnite making less and less money.
Are they?
Ilya said, as I
Who's
mentioned, I'm streaming.
Alias?
The guy
Oh,
from the stream.
got is.
Fortnite.
Uh,
Yeah. That guy at Microsoft left, right? Matt Booty or something. Matt Booty, right? So apparently, I guess he is not believing in gaming anymore. So this is why he left. I don't know, like what else
Mm.
it can be. Yeah, and game industry is getting harder and harder. Making games is not cheap.
yeah. Is AI taking over as well?
Uh, it's just saturation, I guess. There is a lot of indie studios like me competing with AAA game studios.
Are you competing?
I mean,
not
it's
being,
I,
not
I'm
trying to be rude.
it is it's a drop in the ocean, but if you have a lot of drops in the ocean.
Free game engines lowered the bar.
And how many drops do you have?
No, I mean I am one drop in the ocean, but there is plenty of other drops in the ocean.
I see.
So indie industry is making 85% currently. So AAA
85%
and it's like 25% to AAA. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Got it. So what else have you been doing?
That's it.
Been going-
Not too much.
You haven't gone places, done any vacation?
So I went to hotel. I think we talked about this thing, right? Like for 3 days, just to stay in a motel and heads down and just program without any distraction. So I did that.
I got it.
Yeah. There is an interesting thing. I was just curious how AI would estimate how much effort it's gonna take to replicate what I did last 3 months working on my game, because I'm making the game without game engine, so I'm writing everything from scratch in C++.
Maybe 8 hours.
So I asked AI, I gave the source code and ask like what effort it would require to replicate.
Mhm.
So all different AIs, of course, was giving different answers, but in ballpark, it's roughly $500,000, $1 million. 3 to 8 developers, different AIs was giving different answers.
But did you ask
And
how long it would take the AI to do it?
yeah, I was asking as well with AI assistants, and the estimation is like 20% faster with AI assistants.
Mhm.
Yeah, and kind of interesting. Kind of interesting. Where is my $500,000? This is the question.
Uh, so what was the answer for that?
And it was a rhetorical question.
Yeah, but AI can respond to you.
AI. I actually asked. I mean, not like this, like in similar kind of ballpark. So AI was saying I would able to recoup this effort. And first of all, I said like, oh, you
Bullshit.
implemented everything by yourself, so like you lose nothing. I was like, dude, I lost a lot of time. I was like, yeah, but like you did not, I did not pay like license fees. Then you're using game engine, you have to use license fees and stuff, as well for assets. And so yeah, I said like, dude, you lose nothing. I said like I lost my time, and he said, yeah, it's like anyways, like it says like you can make the game and sell it, and hoping if it would sell. And AI was very optimistic, like, okay, you will be able to sell, but like I said, like, what if I would not be able to sell? It's like, yeah, I
you
said,
can.
I've got, first of all, experience, and I got like a very solid item in my portfolio, so I can sell myself for good money.
Oh, as a sex slave?
As a to get employed by studio, right?
Oh, okay. Sorry. I thought you were. Yeah. Well, it's hard to say, man. Really hard to say. Um, it's a good question. Any trips anytime soon?
No. We were planning to go and watch Artemis 2 launch, but it was delayed multiple times, and essentially we just gave up because it's impossible to track it, and I lose some money because I needed to cancel.
How much did you lose?
I don't know. I was like, what the point of checking it? I lose money. What can I do?
Yeah.
I know. $800 maybe. I don't know. Maybe less.
They are going to launch on April 1st for sure.
Oh, it's
Also-
April 1st, Artemis 2. So it's going to happen for sure.
Is that
100%.
April Fool's? Is that April Fool's?
I don't know. Maybe it's a joke. Maybe they are planning. I can check.
Oh, by the way, we have
Artemis
Waymo.
2. You've got Waymo?
Yeah. But I'm not gonna use that.
Artemis mission. Oh yeah, April 1st, 6:24 p.m. EDT. You can try to watch the launch. It's close to you.
I'm not going up there.
Look, it's historical launch.
Back to the moon.
Back to the moon.
How many?
Yeah.
How many times did they change that?
I don't know.
Change the
Multiple
date?
times. Yeah. Back to the moon.
Lunar flyby only, not another Apollo 8.
Yeah, it's not going to be landing. It's just going to be mainly
Swing
fly around the moon. Back to around the moon. Set user data is just integer. Huh. So are you going to try to get the job, or why you were saying, why you had this thought?
Well, if I continue to lose money or not make money, I gotta be practical.
So what is the cut off for you to start doing it?
End of this year, because
End of this year?
yeah, I have one opportunity using, the old style technique, and if it doesn't work, then if I gotta start soon, not there. It hasn't changed immensely, but it's changed enough. But I just don't know. Am I looking at like wrong to think I can find success?
Find success.
Finding a job.
Oh,
Feel like it's
I
late.
think you can find a job.
Walmart.
Uber.
Yeah. And get
Yeah,
hassled by.
yeah, I guess it's matter of how much money do you want. I guess.
And Uber doesn't mean that you make a lot of money, by the way. I don't think they're millionaires.
DoorDash.
I don't know if you can
DoorDash,
even
yeah.
survive on Uber.
Yeah. So I guess how much money do you want? Like if you want
Uh, I need
quarter of
to.
million of dollars,
I need a good life.
maybe it's possible. Like if you want $500,000 of dollars, probably not. So how much do you want?
I want enough right now to live. To live without hitting my bank account.
And how much is it?
I think around 200 is okay. Let's start easy. 150. I can start with 150.
Yeah, 150 you definitely can find. It's,
I
it's
don't.
not going to be a problem.
My daughter. Well, I don't know. So that kind of sucks out, right? Um, my daughter's. I don't know. I think she still need money, but less of it.
Yeah,
So that's good. That's like the biggest drain is my daughter. and obviously my wife a little bit, but my daughter is like I think the biggest strain.
yeah,
And we still have that other stuff going on.
Wait until
Yeah.
Trump
No
makes prices
response
even higher.
from
Cool story, Bob.
no response from the judge, so that's still up in the air.
yeah.
It's crazy, man.
Oh yeah, there is a in our un counted source of uncertainty, as Ilya
Hopefully
mentioned. It's Donald Trump.
oh, and what he does.
Mm-hmm. And what he does.
Yeah. Hey, why isn't this like logging off? I'm configuring Windows 7. You 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 think I achieved greatness with Windows 7 by um basically nobody nobody's using it anymore. Um, so what's the chance of someone hacking it, or is it like
Oh, it is high chances of hacking it. About what are you talking? User data.
well everything's under a firewall.
Yeah, this is what's saving you.
However, I am using Google Chrome desktop remote.
Yeah, I think firewall is good enough. Have you heard about not plus plus? Not what is it?
What? No.
The notebook plus. Not what is the app?
Notepad? Notepad?
Notepad
Notepad?
plus plus. Yeah, was
Yeah.
hacked.
Oh, recently?
Yeah, like a month or a couple of months ago.
Oh, what? Why? How? What was that?
Oh, it was actually hacked by some government, from some country governmental, like contractors, government contractors, and they were targeting some specific people in American government with not Pad plus plus.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, but so this is why it took so long. Like they were doing this thing for long time, and it took for long time to cut this hack, because it was targeted. So like researchers, of course, did not get it, right? So it was quite interesting, cool spy story. Yeah.
Interesting. Problems. Oh, what? 7 o'clock here. Oh. You ever play with Edit?
Yeah, all the time.
I'm, I'm trying to like I
Okay, so let me. I can redo it by myself, I guess. So
so
read
are you using
podcast.
using cursor? Have you tried cursor before? I forgot.
Hmm?
Cursor.
I tried it until like for the amount of time I can use it for free. So I tried it probably for 1 hour.
Oh, free sucks. Free is like right.
Yeah, it's hitting limit like very fast. So I installed it, I tried it, I hit the limit, and I installed it. So it's like 1 hour maybe.
And what do you how's Google? Are you using Google now?
Yeah,
Gemini?
it's
You
pretty
tried
good.
anti-gravity.
But that has limits too, no? Or are you paying for
It
it?
does have limits. I'm not paying, but there is a. I mean, I'm not hitting the limits. I'm not using anti-gravity, so Google has anti-gravity as well.
Yeah.
I
It,
installed it, but I
it,
mean,
it,
it's kind of fine. I'm using it from command line. I actually prefer from command
command
line.
line,
Yeah.
especially when you don't look at code, right?
No, I do look at the command.
Oh,
About what are you
okay.
talking?
With Emacs.
Mm-hmm. Get by ID. I think it's very slow. It just iterates. Anyways,
How's the Twitch stuff going? Happy with it?
I don't know. I'm just streaming on Twitch and just uh for um for having VODs because I'm streaming on Twitch and YouTube saves all VODs uh like indefinitely, so I can get back to them.
Not like Twitch.
No, like Twitch. So I'll have something. It might be good showcase and just show like look if I would need to find a job and like my solo game development would not work, I say look what I can do. I can program.
Right.
Here's the proof. 3 years of the VODs.
Yep. No one's gonna look at that.
Of course, no one. But as well, there is going to be outcome. I mean, it's like everything in GitHub, so I may
There's
just.
a new indie game made with Unity called Schedule 1 on Steam. I would never play that because it and oppose as a crack game for me, but people loves it. The guy made tens of millions of dollars. Wild, small motivation for you. Kappa.
Yeah, I know about Schedule 1. Have you heard about Schedule 1 game, Joel? The guy made super crappy game about drugs and making millions of dollars. So who knows? Maybe I'll make a very good game and make millions of dollars. Get root.
Make it happen, man.
Get by the user data. So I think this is safer approach instead of doing reinterpret cast. Set user data to node ID. Okay, it's still working. I'm wondering if our stuff would work. Like, for example, collision with the Guardian didn't work. Now maybe it would start working. Oh, collision with Guardian is working now. Cool. So accidentally staged all the changes what AI generated, so now it's kind of hard to see what AI generated and what is my clone. Collector, collide shape, has heat, iterate, get user data. I can probably gameplay. So there is a populating, create settings, create and add body. New character, virtual set, user data. Types body ID is not a pointer.
Excuse me.
Character virtual settings. Create and add money. Get body. From body lock interface. What? Okay. Mesh. Okay, I'm going to take a break, have a dinner, and we'll get back after dinner.
Can't wait.
Why?
What are we having?
I don't know. Something with high proteins and high fiber to deal with my diabetes.
Huh? Oh, are you taking medicine for that?
No, I'm not. I'm losing weight and just watching my blood sugar.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Okay. Talk to you later.
Right.
Bye. I don't know. I will continue to work on that. So I guess I would not make the commit. So I'll make the commit in the evening. See you in a bit. I don't know, maybe in an hour, 2 hours. I guess in 2 hours, maybe in 3. Bye.